Hey you guys, it's Keisha with Zazie K Creations, and I'm sharing my sewing journey with you on this channel. Just want to give you a quick update on where I am in getting my leggings done. So I started my leggings, I guess, about a week ago, and I haven't been working on them diligently every day. I've been skipping 2 days here, a day there. But the fit was really, really great on these leggings. I love how they fit. I'll go into some more detail later once I do my final video on the entire process. But this evening, when I thought I was going to be able to get these done, I actually had lots and lots of issues. So for the most part, sewing with this fabric on my sewing machine has not been bad at all. I did a test piece of garment to make sure that my tension was okay and make sure my needle was okay. And that was fine. I had no issues with, sewing the pants leg together, the thread, everything was fine on these leggings. And it wasn't until this evening when I went to start working on the casing that I started having issues. And now that I think about it, maybe I should change my needle. I might change my needle when I finish these off tomorrow. But I end up getting a really nasty hole in these leggings at the top. Now, good thing is this hole, this little hole here, is actually on the inside back of my leggings. And you don't really notice it too much. You can probably see a little dot there, but no one is going to see that. I don't wear my leggings so that people see the waistband. I don't wear my leggings like that. I always cover, I stay covered up pretty good when I wear leggings, so my shirt will be long. But I don't know why that happened, but I got I got a real bad knot here, or even this my faithful seam ripper. Where are you? Yeah. My seam ripper wouldn't even get this knot out. It was that bad. It was hard and it was just like stuck. So bad I had to cut the knot out in order to finish up the sewing around the waistband. And then at some point I was sewing and my garment, it got stuck in my needle plate. Now I'm at the very end of this process now. I've sewn the legs together. I have did some serging. I don't know why all of a sudden at the very end of this process I'm starting to have issues with my machine and it's doing some knotting. But the knotting I had issues with, the fabric got stuck down in my needle plate. Now I know I've been told I can use tissue paper or tracing paper to start the stitching when you're using knits. I didn't have to do that with this one though because it's pretty thick, and as I said, when I used my test garment I didn't have issues, so I just knew that I would be okay sewing, and I had done everything right up to this point and had no issue. So I'm wondering if maybe it's a needle issue. I might have to go back and change my needle at this point. But yes, I had this hole here. I had to take the hole out. And then what else happened this evening? I had a hole, not a hole, I'm sorry. No more holes. The only hole I had was at the top. And then I had this really crazy knotting right here again. So I don't know what that knotting is about, and I didn't want to take it out. I didn't want to risk putting another hole in the fabric in my garment. So I figured, again, this is on the bottom of the legging. I mean, I would likely wear boots, so you wouldn't see this anyway. And for this to be my very first pair of knit leggings, I mean, I think they turned out pretty well. So I'm not too concerned about that, but I do want to know why my knotting happened here. I have to figure that out. And then I lost my casing a few times this evening. So I just had a lot of just like somewhat silly errors happen this evening trying to finish this out. And I think it's because I probably just like mentally done for the night and probably just need to like put this away and be finished. And I think I will do that. Although I'm so tempted because all I have left to do is this one little hem on this last leg and I'll be finished. But I think I'm going to just call it a night and I'll pick this up tomorrow. Yeah, so I did also find that with this fabric, it was really hard to roll this under that 1/4 inch and then roll this over another inch to get the casing done. So at the bottom of the legging for the the hem, I did not do that 1/4 inch roll and then another inch to keep it, you know, rolled and clean. I just folded over the 1 inch because I didn't want this to give me any more issues in terms of trying to sew through the roll and having my machine act silly and get me more frustrated. I'm not sure if I told you guys this, but my fabric got stuck in my needle plate as well. Maybe I did already tell you that. But yeah, lots of stresses tonight with this make. So I'm going to call it a night. I will probably think about adjusting my tension on this and changing my needle tomorrow. So I'll look at some resources on the proper tension for this. But yeah, it's been a long day. I had a very busy day and I just think I should have just stopped while I was ahead. I should not have even attempted to do this evening. I think I should just wait until tomorrow. But I was desperate and wanted to get it finished. So yeah, I think I'm done for tonight. So I hope that you guys are doing well. And I will come back again and lay out some more details on this garment make in the near future. Talk to you soon. God bless.